Thanks for stopping in, Chris. I'm Sal Contreras, Dent Tile. We're here at the MTE show in Florida, Mobile Tech Expo 2020. I sell these tools called Dent Tiles. Basically, it's a leverage tool for pushing out dents for paintless dent repair. So check it out. We got bars, different sizes and different thicknesses, but the idea is some solid leverage for pushing out dents so you don't have to work as hard. That's the idea. Check it out. I'll show you how to demonstrate. All right, so like in all panels, you know, you have to somehow get inside, get your tools inside there. So that's what dent tiles are made for, is they bend into position and they leverage off of the inner frame. So I'm going to put this inside there. Got a nice tip in there with some strong leverage, and now with one hand I can apply leverage and lean around the side. So I'm moving this body line right here, but look at the power, and I have one hand free. So what these bars do is generate power like a crowbar. The closer this gets to the end, the more power I can get and push out dents. So this is the 24 heavy. This is the pit bull of the bars. I have longer ones, shorter ones, thinner ones for going down the glass. But this is the one right now we're showing. Thanks for stopping by.